How is it going, everyone? It's Rob from Paragon and welcome to New Products August. We've got a ton of new C8 Corvette products you're gonna love, so without further ado, let's get into it. Starting off the month strong, the first product is from us here at Paragon, and it is for the hardtop convertible folks. It is the red carbon fiber clear cover. So we've had these before in just the black carbon fiber with that clear window, and now we've got them in the red carbon fiber. So you still get that awesome clear window, show off your engine bay, but it is now surrounded by red carbon fiber, which looks pretty cool if maybe you've got a red car or some red accents in your engine bay or going on the rest of your car. It's a pretty cool item, looks really neat. So if you want one, they are on the website. Go check them out and join in on the fun of showing off your hardtop convertible engine bay at your local car show. And next up this month, from everyone's favorite carbon fiber stick-on brand, CCS, we've got a bunch. The first being a window switch panel cover. So this carbon fiber piece is going to go right on your door sill around where the window switches are on both the passenger and the driver's side. And it's got all the cutouts and everything for your mirror adjustments, windows. If you have the hardtop convertible, we have a set that also has the cutouts for your roof and that back window. So if you want to get rid of that silver on your door panel there, maybe you wanted the level 1 carbon fiber from GM that covers that, but couldn't get it, this is a great addition, saves some money as well. Really cool piece, gets rid of that silver, brings some more carbon fiber around your window switches. So if you want it, it's on the website, give it a check. Next product from CCS is not only something that looks cool inside the car, but it also kind of has some functionality. It is their carbon fiber kick panel cover. So on the inside of the car, right around that door sill, you have that kind of rough plastic piece that even if you're super careful bringing your feet in and out of the car, you can somehow still end up with nice New Balance scuffs on that piece. And then you gotta go get the interior cleaner, and it's just a whole deal. Now with this kick panel cover, you can not only bring some carbon fiber in there, but you can avoid the headache of always having to clean that piece. It's carbon fiber, so it looks good. It's on the website, go check it out. And going along with that awesome kick panel cover we just talked about, moving right up top above that is what we have now, the door sill trim. So there's a little black plastic piece right up there, literally next to the door sill there. Cover that up with some carbon fiber. It's a really small piece, both driver and passenger side. Bring some more carbon fiber if you have the door open. You can see it really well. Looks cool, just continues that carbon fiber more so in the interior of the car. And next up, literally right next to that piece, is the dash trim cover overlay. So that's gonna cover up the side piece of the dash where you kind of see a little bit of that 3-piece trim there. So if maybe you've got that 3-piece trim or some other carbon fiber accents and you're wanting to bring even more carbon fiber, this dash trim piece is a great way to do it. Once again, for both the drivers and passenger side, carbon fiber, stick on, super easy install, really cool. They're all on the website, go check them out. And the last product from our friends over at CCS this month is the mirror inlay cover in a carbon fiber. So that's gonna cover literally right around your actual mirror where it is kind of a gloss black right now. It's gonna cover that in some carbon fiber. So if you've got carbon fiber mirror caps or some other exterior carbon fiber and you're wanting to finish off that look on the mirror there, this is the piece to do it. Or if maybe you don't have any, this is a great place to start. So add some more carbon fiber to your mirror with the carbon fiber mirror inlay. And last but certainly not least this month from GM is some of the new touch-up paint colors that we didn't have before. So we've now got the cacti, the new sea wolf, that beautiful riptide blue, some more of the 70th colors as well. So if maybe unfortunately you get a rock chip or something somewhere on the car, no worries, touch-up paint, get it looking right again. Or maybe you want to use it to paint your nails to match the car. Whatever you want to do with it, we've got them in stock on the shelves ready to ship out. They're on the website. Go ahead, check them out. And that's going to do it for us here at Paragon for the month of August. C8 Corvette, new products. Hopefully you found some stuff you might enjoy. If you did, it's all linked in the description down below. So head on over to the website, go check it out, get yourself some. A couple events going on at the end of this month that we will be at. So first one is Corvettes at Carlisle in Pennsylvania. Corey and myself are both going to be there, not as a vendor with a booth or anything, but we are just gonna be walking around checking everything out. So if you do see us one of the days, come say hello, come hang out, all that good stuff. And the week after that, during the Corvette Caravan event at the National Corvette Museum, Corey, myself, and Jeremy are all three going to be there with a booth set up and some speaking events there as well. So we're doing a whole bunch at the end of this month. If we don't see you there, well, I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully you're enjoying these videos. If you are, be sure to let me know by leaving a like down below, comment, subscribe. As always, I'm Rob from Paragon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. How is it going, everyone? It's Rob from Paragon.
Oh my God, Rob from Paragon!
Starting off the month. And then What's up, brother?
We're going to Carlisle and Caravan. Paragon!
Paragon. All right, I'm standing here with Corey from Paragon. Corey, post-game interview. How do you think new products this month went?
I love me some CCS.